Being a family-owned, award-winning company, we help time-poor clients to achieve their ideal kitchen or bathroom, which they can truly enjoy and be proud of. When you choose Amberth, you are not just selecting an ordinary kitchen and bathroom design company. You are embarking on a journey with a partner dedicated to crafting spaces that are uniquely yours. Here is what you can expect from us through our 4 essential stages: design, supply, installation, and project management.
At Amberth, the journey begins with your vision. We take the time to understand your design preferences and lifestyle. We use the latest technology to bring your future interiors to life. Our team of skilled designers translates your ideas into an elegant, bespoke design that perfectly aligns with your individuality, ensuring longevity and functionality. The design process is all about you.
With your personalized design in hand, we carefully source premium materials and products to bring your vision to life. Our commitment to quality ensures that every element, from cabinetry to fittings and fixtures, meets the highest standards of craftsmanship. You can trust us to provide the finest materials for your project.
Our skilled in-house installers with an eye for detail take charge of the installation process. Every component is carefully assembled and fitted to perfection. We pride ourselves on precision and efficiency, ensuring that your bespoke kitchen or bathroom is brought to life exactly as envisioned.
We understand the importance of smooth and stress-free experience. That's why our dedicated project managers oversee every aspect of the project. From coordinating timelines to managing the sites and resources, we ensure that your project goes seamlessly. Your peace of mind is our priority.
At Amberth, you are not just a client, you're a vital part of the journey. Your bespoke product isn't just unique, it's a reflection of your individual style and needs. From the initial design concept to the final installation, we are committed to making your dream kitchen or bathroom reality. Your satisfaction is our ultimate achievement. Choose Amberth for an unparalleled experience that brings your vision to life. At Amberth, we love design, hate waste.